Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English unit number 11, page number 69, part C. Select and use some strategies. Example, brainstorming and mind mapping to gather and organize ideas. Use these ideas to give the story a different ending. Dictionary skills, using online dictionary. A dictionary helps us in understanding the meaning of a word and how it can be used. Now you can also look up a dictionary online. An online dictionary has these things. For example, word display. According to part of speech, this word is verb. Pronunciation, display, definition, to put something in a place where people can see it easily, to show something to people. Synonym, exhibit, usage, display something. The exhibition gives local artists an opportunity to display their work. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर. स्टूडेंट्स, काइंडली राइट डाउन दिस वर्क ऑन योर नोटबुक्स. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.